Today I will show you how to contact Google support for account issues. To start, open Google. Then pick your profile icon and choose Help and Feedback. Then choose Contact Us. Pick Contact Us and describe your issue here. Then turn on Google can ask for feedback about my support experience by email if you want to. After that, click Submit. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.